Want to save time in the US Bank app? Try these hidden features. Enable Quick Balance to view balances without signing in for instant checks. Use quick actions from the home screen to transfer, pay, or deposit in one tap. Set up one-touch transfer to move money between accounts instantly. Lock and unlock your debit card inside card controls to prevent fraud quickly. Create spending categories and set alerts to track bills and avoid surprises. Schedule recurring payments in bill pay to automate rent, subscriptions, and more. Enable autosave rules to round up purchases or move spare change to savings. Use Zelle inside the app for fast person-to-person payments without account numbers. Download statements and search transactions with keywords to find receipts fast. Use secure message to contact support and send documents without waiting on hold. Try one hidden feature now. Open the US Bank app and save time today.